Happy Monday out there, Team 42. It's your skipper here, Darius Dale, to present our macro minute for Monday, December 18th, 2023. As always, we'll start with our executive summary from today's leadoff morning note. As always, if you would like the analysis supporting these conclusions, as well as what to specifically do about them in your portfolio, you need to be a client of 42 Macro. So number one, a light day of economic data affords us the opportunity to address a very critical question for some market participants, particularly for those that are still in the no or hard landing camps. The question is, of course, is it too late to position for Goldilocks? The TLDR answer is no. As always, the actual answer is more nuanced. Number two, most of the fundamental and positioning dynamics that do not support a continuation of the Goldilocks top-down market regime are short-term in nature and speak very little about where asset markets are likely to be a few months from now. Still, they must be respected by investors looking to or being forced to chase. And then lastly, number three, most of the fundamental and positioning dynamics that do support a continuation of the Goldilocks top-down market regime are medium-term in nature, so you can infer what you need to from that. Transitioning to my 42 macro dashboard, there were no key macro market indicators that were overbought or oversold this morning, so we'll just leave you with some signals on the S&P here, kind of in not quite in the middle range, but more or less in the middle range. You got 45, 65 on the downside, 48, 10 on the upside. We're getting close to a new all-time high in terms of the upside of that range. So obviously a new all-time high in the S&P 500 is probable. That would follow the NASDAQ making that move, I want to say, last week. And then lastly, transitioning to 42 macro aware community. We had a question from a client here who's following our KISS portfolio construction process. It's asking when the portfolio construction stays the same over a few weeks as it has currently, does the backtesting assume a weekly rebalancing? Is there any data on just letting things run until the construction changes? So the answer is that's how I met. So I use the KISS portfolio construction process that we built here, 42 Macro, to manage all of my liquid net worth. And how I rebalance is just whenever there is a change being made to the KISS portfolio construction process. On average, it's about, let's call it 2 to 4 trades per month. It's a very, kind of low turnover process to begin with. That's when I do the rebalancing. So that would, that's what works for me. Obviously, you can rebalance on a daily basis, you rebalance on a weekly basis, monthly basis, whatever works for you. But generally speaking, you generally want to have the appropriate targets on, in terms of what the top down and bottom up risk management overlays are signaling at any given time. So we'll wrap it up there. Darius Dale presenting our macro minute for Monday, December 18th, 2023. Best of luck out here today, and we'll catch you back here tomorrow. Cheers.